Hello children, in this video we are going to study mathematics chapter number 3, how many squares, page number 14. In this children we are going to see first how many squares in me, and the second topic that we are going to study is right triangles. So let's start this first topic, how many squares in me. Now children, the girl is asking what is the area of this triangle. Now you see the triangle is fixed in this rectangle children. Isn't it? This is one rectangle, and in this we see that this, if this figure is divided into two equal halves, we get here two triangles. Now children, the answer is given and they are telling you to find the area of this triangle. Now the triangle is half the rectangle of area 2 square centimeter. Now this area of this rectangle is 2 square centimeter and triangle is half, so its area will be 1 square centimeter. Understood children this concept? Now see, now this girl is again this is asking, is this shape half of the big rectangle? Now if you look at this, so yes, we see that it is half of a big rectangle. Now then if it is so, then what is the area of this shaded part? Now see children, for this we will count the first the area of a rectangle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 is the area of a bigger rectangle, and this shape is half of the big rectangle. So its area will be 8. If divided by 2, you will have 4. So this will be 4 square centimeter. Understood children this part? Now children, they are telling you to find the area of this figure, this, but there are some regular shapes and some are irregular shape. Now for regular shape we can easily count the area, but for like this irregular shape we have to count the squares which are more than half as 1 and which are less than half we don't have to count it. Again I am repeating children, for the irregular shapes like this, like D, C and F, we have to count here more than half as a 1 square and less than half we have to leave it as it is. Understood children? So let's find out the area of a figure A. Now children, let's see the area of this triangle. Now first we will find the area of a bigger rectangle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. There are 12 square centimeter is the area of a rectangle. Now so the area of this triangle will be children, half of 12 is 6 square centimeter. Understood? Now children, here there is one square figure shape given to you, and they are asking you to find out its area. Now here first I will draw the lines in between with the help of pencil. Now I will count the square shape. 1, 2. First I will count the complete square. Now 1, 2, 3, 4. Here I will write 4 plus. Now half shapes children, how many half shapes are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 half shape means children, this two half will become 1, this 2 half will become 1, this 2 half will become 1, this 2 half will become 1. So how many? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 plus 4. And quarter shapes children. Now here it is 1 by 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 quarters means how many children? 1 whole. 4 quarters means 1 whole. So the area of this is 9 square centimeter. Understood children? Now see, this is an irregular shape. Now what I told you, for irregular shape we have to count more than half square as a 1. Now see, 1, 2, this is more than half, so 3, 4, and this is less than half, so we are going to leave here. So how many, what is the area of this? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 square centimeter. Understood children this shape? Now see children, D1 I am going to draw a line first here, and then I am going to see how many complete squares and how many half squares are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 full and 2 half means 6 square centimeter. Now see children, here already I have drew the lines in between. So let's count the complete square first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. 18 are complete square. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 are half, that means 3 are complete. 6 half means 3 complete. So 18 plus 3, that will be 21 square centimeter. Understood children this area, how to find it? Now the next figure is irregular shape, and we will take more than half as 1 and we will leave less than half. Understood children? Now see, first count as complete shape, a complete square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this area will be 8 square centimeter. Understood? Now see children, try triangles. Both the big triangles in this rectangle have the same area, but these look very different. Isn't it children? This look very different. This triangle is different and this triangle is different. Now children, the solution is the blue triangle is half of the big triangle. If you look only at blue triangle, you will see that it is half of a big rectangle, and area of a big rectangle is 20 square centimeter. So the area of a blue triangle will be 10 square centimeter. Half of 20 is 10. Now children, and then what about the red triangle? In it there are 2 halves of 2 different rectangles. Now see children, these 1, 2, this is one rectangle, orange colored, and this is green color is another rectangle. And if you look at this red line, you will see that this orange rectangle is cut into equal 2 parts, and this if you look at this second arm of this triangle, you will see that green part is cut into 2 equal halves. So now see children, now you find the area of the 2 rectangles. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12's half means 6, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 half means 4. That will give you 10 square centimeter. Understood children this? Now children, yes, you are right, and you know what, you can draw many more triangles of area 10 square centimeter in this rectangle. Try drawing them. Now children, you have to draw triangles, many more triangles of area 10 square centimeter in this rectangle. Understood? With this, we have completed these 2 topics children. Hope you have understood this concept. In the next video, we are going to see page number 42. Till then, bye children.